There he is. I'm vlogging all weekend. So this is Gordy. What's your channel?
That's Gordon Baker, disc golf.
Gordon Baker. I'll link it to
little disc golf
right
action.
here, or is it here? No, it's here. So yeah, he does the disc golf. He's really good at it too. I told him that his worst throw ever is better than my best throw ever, and that's not an exaggeration. So
well, this is my boy here.
Yeah.
Kevin. He's like one of the most creative dudes I've ever met. Known him since high school, and his channel. Tell him your channel's name.
Miller Smith Adventures.
Obviously, you know you're watching this, so
yeah.
But it's a really good channel.
I appreciate it.
Super impressed with.
Yeah,
his,
and
like,
Gordy's
editing,
just starting out with his channel. He's got 3 videos right now, but they're solid. So he's gonna
teach me some things.
Way better than me, like very, very soon. So we're both like around 40. What, you're just like over? I'm just under. So I guess I don't even know how old you are, but I assume that, like, considering we're 1 grade apart. But anyway, growing up, we've been best friends since like about the midway through high school. Gigantic, massive band nerds. So this is me growing up. So me growing up is me at the house, my parents' house, my house, growing up. Every night, summer, even school nights, I would hear like rocks, little pellets on my window. What the hell's that? Look, it's Gordy. Cool, we're gonna hang out. So we go, and we do the exact same thing every night. We would just watch band tapes. So we were just massive band nerds. He was drum major, high school band, then I was drum major, the same high school band the next year. Went to college together. Didn't we both live in Capstone? On the same floor?
I think the same floor, but
yeah.
you know, the biggest thing is we did drum and bugle corps together. That was the tightest thing we did, and probably the hardest thing we did together.
Oh yeah. So we marched Carolina Crown together, and we were seat partners and everything, and that was an experience.
Yeah, let's go ahead and be real. It was fun, but it was a nightmare as well.
Yeah, and
for different reasons, but it comes along with the territory. You're stuck around a ton of people every day, 24/7, sleeping on a hard gym floor. Every night there's a performance pretty much, and you don't eat well, so.
No, you don't.
You don't do this for like you do it for the experience.
Yeah. But that's the thing, and kind of to go off on a kind of a different way, but similar. That's the thing with growing up, because I mean, he's got kids, I don't, but we're both married, we both have families, and you know, growing up being best friends, always hanging out through college and everything, you kind of lose touch, because you know, we ended up, you know, growing up in the middle of nowhere, South Carolina, we both ended up in different parts of the country. And every once in a while, we got to call each other, see what's up. And we both had a free weekend. We're over here out here in Colorado now. So your core friends, your core good friends will always stay your core good friends. But you kind of go separate ways just because of life, just because of your job, just because of families. You know, like I said, we're on different sides of the countries. But you'll always be your core friends, and every once in a while, call them up. You got some shit to talk about. There's nothing better than calling your best friend growing up and be like, yeah, I got some shit to discuss. Let's just shoot the shit and bounce some ideas back of each other. And we're always going to be like that. So we don't see each other as much as we used to, maybe once a year, if that. Not even that.
Not even that.
But once we hang out, it's the same corny, stupid jokes from high school immediately.
Yeah, it's just
the same
falls
thing.
Right back into the same line. It's like being in high school again, really. It's kind of weird, but
So
awesome at the same time.
Yeah, so we don't know what we're gonna do today. We threw the frisbee around for a little while, and
he got some awesome footage. Can't wait to post it.
Right.
Oh my god, it's gonna be my new intro. Appreciate you for that.
Yeah,
man.
and then I fly out tomorrow afternoon. So
we might do a hot springs with
a
bunch of naked people there.
Sweet, naked is awesome.
Might do that.
Yeah, that's all I got right now. So anyway, link his channel. I'll link it below. Please check it out. It's good stuff. He could use the views and the thumbs up and all that stuff. Get him on the algorithm because he's got some really good stuff.